Some people only have authority at work. This that one right here, y'all. Pay attention.
I hate to say it, but some people only have authority at work. That's the only authority they will ever have. Like,
Facts,
you ever
my nigga.
meet some managers that are like bossy and do this, hurry up, and da-da-da-da, or think they're just so bigger than life? Only at the job, though. Only at the job. When they go outside of the work, when they clock their ass out, they don't have any influence. They don't have any power. They don't have any authority. And they can't say shit to you outside of work. So when they come in the job and clock in, they think they like Caesar. You know what I'm saying? They think they're a king. You know what I mean? And honestly, you gotta watch out for people like that. You have to watch out for people like that. That think they're bigger than something that they're not. You know what I mean? My advice, stay away from them. Because they're bad energy. Manager, boss, CEO, whatever the fuck. Treat me with respect and I will treat you with respect. You fuck me over, I will fuck you over too.
Yeah, man. I know we all wish we can have a Michael Scott as a boss, you know what I mean? Shout out Steve Carell, man. Shout out The Office. But when we come to being realistic, bro, this is as crazy as it gets, man. Like, your supervisors, your team leaders, your managers, your boss, man. Especially if you somebody that carry the light, man, they gonna enforce their authority onto you. They gonna project, and they're going to make sure that you see other co-workers get treated and compensated a little bit more better than you. They will do things to intimidate and dominate you on the job, all while doing your job and taking on the most responsibility of the job. And it be times where you might come across other employees or assistant team leaders to help assist the teams and crews and shit like that, but in all actuality, they just there to supervise and micromanage, all while you working your ass off the whole shift. They just chilling, walking around, sitting around on their phones, texting whoever, gossiping and talking to other employees throughout the job, the workplace. It's just like, damn, dude. And still seems to have it out for you, still seem to enforce their authority onto you when you don't do nothing anyway but show up to the job and do what you're supposed to do. But it's that level of self-awareness you have, that level of integrity, accountability as well. That's a factor, a huge factor, and you just being able to show up yourself and do your thing. You know what I mean? Whether you speak a lot to your coworkers or not, you still gonna receive the BS that comes from these weak managers, these weak team leaders and supervisors. Because once the job is over, once everyone clocks out, they have no power. They have no authority. And they gotta understand, man, when you in a leadership role, man, you can't be just talking to anybody crazy. You can't just be disrespecting people, trying to manipulate people and gaslight people into manipulating them, into blackmailing them. You know what I mean? Because it might get to a point where somebody might try to catch you outside, man. And I'm bringing this to y'all so that y'all can be more aware to what's be going on and how people view certain positions at these jobs, man. Because if somebody that's stepping into a leadership role, you got to be aware. But I appreciate y'all, man. The video's coming soon. See y'all in the next one.